balance of power in the graphics market has officially shattered. For years, PC gamers have been trapped in a relentless cycle of skyrocketing prices, massive power consumption, and predictable generation-over-generation increments. We have been conditioned to accept that true, uncompromised performance is a luxury reserved only for those willing to spend a fortune. But right now, a massive disruption is taking place that throws that entire dynamic out the window. The AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT has arrived, and it is not just another product release. It is a calculated, aggressive assault on the current GPU hierarchy, designed to fundamentally change what we expect from a high-end graphics card. If you have been waiting for the moment where pure raw performance meets actual, realistic value, your wait is officially over. To understand why this specific card is causing absolute panic across the industry, you have to look past the marketing hype and dive directly into the architecture. AMD has abandoned old design limitations to introduce a highly advanced, ultra-dense chiplet design built on a cutting-edge, sub-3 nanometer process node. By separating the primary graphics computer dies from the memory subsystems with microscopic precision, they have unlocked an efficiency curve that was previously thought to be impossible. The silicon doesn't just run faster. It operates with an intelligence that optimizes every single watt of power pushed through the board. We are looking at an architecture capable of processing complex rendering pipelines at speeds that will leave older flagship cards completely in the dust, all while maintaining a footprint that fits comfortably into a standard PC chassis. But raw compute power means nothing without the memory bandwidth to feed it. The RX 9070 XT comes equipped with a massive, lightning-fast pool of next-generation high-bandwidth video memory, utilizing a wider bus width that completely eliminates data bottlenecks. Whether you are loading massive uncompressed open-world textures or handling complex machine learning models locally, the data flows with zero hesitation. Combined with a massive hyper-optimized layer of infinity cache, the GPU keeps critical rendering assets inches away from the processing cores. This means your minimum frame rates, the crucial numbers that dictate whether a game feels stuttery or buttery smooth, are pushed to unprecedented heights. The dreaded microstutter that plagues intense gaming sessions is effectively wiped out. This structural revolution translates into an absolute slaughterhouse of gaming performance. When you boot up modern ultra-demanding titles at native 4K resolution with every single graphical preset cranked to the absolute maximum, the RX 9070 XT doesn't just survive, it dominates. We are talking about triple-digit frame rates in environments that used to bring the most expensive rigs to their knees. Volumetric fog, dense particle physics, and complex global illumination are rendered with a level of effortless fluidity that makes the gameplay experience feel deeply immersive. The card handles rapid camera movements and chaotic screen action with absolute composure, ensuring that your visual clarity remains pin-sharp when every fraction of a second counts. Where the narrative truly shifts, however, is in the realm of ray tracing. Historically, choosing Team Red meant accepting a compromise when it came to heavy real-time light calculations. But with the RX 9070 XT, AMD has completely re-engineered their dedicated ray acceleration hardware from the ground up. These new, specialized hardware blocks handle complex ray triangle intersections and bounding box calculations with brute force efficiency.